to another video. Today we're going to be painting birdhouses. Before we get started, make sure you like,
subscribe,
and turn on those post notifications. So let's start painting our birdhouses.
Did that? No.
It's on the corner a little bit. It's okay.
So
this is my birdhouse that I'm painting.
This is my birdhouse I'm painting.
Alright, I'm going to start painting now.
Can I use the purple because in the corner, just stay. Yeah. This is permanent paint, so don't get it on you.
Well, it's not washable, that's what it is.
I'm going to have to do layers on this.
That's why I got a big one, yeah. Big brush.
It
Doesn't matter.
Because we have paper bags in the back. Like I'm thinking I should do.
I'm doing the roof right now.
Even look at mine.
So me and Mia will get back to you once we're done with the roof.
Okay, we're back and
Don't get paint on you, Ava.
I know.
we're going to.
This is my blue roof.
So I have a pink roof and
With some
pink
purple and
with some
blue.
purple, and I'm doing the.
I'm just finishing up my spots here.
But I'm doing a blue on the side, so the birds are happy with our birdhouse. Probably are going to be very happy.
This is so much fun. We got all this stuff at Michael's.
So after this video, you can go to Michael's and get your supplies to do a birdhouse and make the birds
Almost
happy.
done.
Don't you want to make the animals happy, the birds happy?
Almost done, Mia. What about you?
I just need to do like the inside, like under here. I need to do that.
Yeah, I might do a second coat, but at the end.
Yeah, at the end we'll let it dry, and then
This paint dries super fast.
because it.
All right, guys. I'm gonna do like this base part of it, and I'm gonna do that blue purple ombre. Stay. All right. So
This
I'm
notes
gonna
to the other side.
do some blue. I'm not gonna do a lot, but I'm just gonna do like little marks of it, and then purple over top. You can paint that all blue and
Ooh, I think I made it a little too much. So this blue,
Mia has a blue,
is a
and it's
sparkly blue.
sparkly dark blue, and this blue is a sparkly light blue. And not
Well-
sparkly, but it's just light blue.
Well, yours is, you did like more coats than me because this one I'm just doing on the side and you're doing the roof, so yours looks a little darker than mine because mine's light sparkly. And in the package it looks like blue, dark blue. So yeah. I might do the Ava, look at the front.
I know, I did that.
I thought you were like, I thought it dripped, and I was like, Ava. Yours has a little roof, chimney. Mine doesn't.
Yeah, I got a little chimney.
It's fine.
Purple now. I'm gonna put this down, get a new
I was getting
brush.
I'm getting green, and green does not
Actually,
match
there is
white.
a brush for purple, so
I'm going to do green. Is this coat? Oh, that's still a little.
Got
This coat dry.
purple.
Yep,
So
I
now
think
let's
this one's dry, so
mix this all
hopefully it's dry. Yeah, my paint.
I'm doing like this, purple blue.
You can't stop moving it, because then if you move it, Ava, I'm making me shake.
Let's spin to this side. Do it randomly.
Ava, you should put your hair up.
I don't care.
Don't want to get anything in your hair. That would be bad.
My hands are a mess.
Mine too. See? And my other hand I can't show you guys because it's big.
Oh, whoa, some purple over here.
Okay, let's get them green.
Alright, I did those. Did blue, purple. I'm gonna do a little green.
Mine,
Mia has a
Ava,
green, so I'm just gonna.
Ava, I have the green paintbrush right here, but
Oh. Alright, then I'll wait.
yeah, just wait until I'm
I'm gonna
done.
do my light pink.
Ooh, Ava does not like pink, but my whole bedroom is pink now.
Oh, this looks pretty.
It's so soft, but she doesn't like the color pink. Who likes?
Oh, I forgot to do this side purple.
Who like the color pink?
Me.
You, of course. Anybody
Can you
else?
guess what my favorite color is?
So, should I just tell them?
Gotta add a little bit more blue. Some pink. Stop.
Ooh, don't they need a little hint?
Fine, the hint is it starts with a B and ends in an E. Mia, are you cheating?
What if I said, guess my favorite color?
I don't know, guys. Alright, so we'll get back to you when we're done with this part, okay?
Well, I'm doing the side, so.
Alright,
Bye,
Alright, guys,
everybody.
we're back. We did a little bit without you guys there. We're not completely done with the sides and the base of it yet.
But this is really, really tricky. I'm doing the heart.
She's doing the outline of the heart. Which I'm
Poof!
not doing. I'm not doing that.
And I'm doing yellow. Ava letting me do yellows.
We're mixing, not mixing, but we're trading.
Well, not
Colors.
trading, but
Because I don't want you to ruin mine.
yeah, I don't want you to ruin mine. Because you'll do like a blue and a purple
And you'll do pink.
yeah, isn't pink so pretty?
Pink is the worst color, in my opinion. Sorry to anyone out there who likes pink.
Yeah, but Ava doesn't like pink. How could she? We just got new bed sheets, like yesterday. I was about to say tomorrow. And they're like so pretty. And Ava even likes mine, and it's pink.
Because of the fluffiness. And the color, the light pink color, is pretty.
Avery, you don't put it out there. You put it on the plate. You're using my pink. Pink. She's using my pink. Now it's a really shirt.
Gotta do this. Alright, let's speed things up a bit. 1 second, guys. Alright, so we finished the birdhouses, and here is mine.
We'll do mine next.
And then
We didn't paint the bottoms because when it dried,
we gotta stay there, and then it has our names.
so we don't get
That was mine.
confused. And here's mine. And